What is Miss Tempy trying to say? Are you thinking about it? Huh? I love you. Can you say mama? What about daddy? Can you say daddy, Tempy? Say daddy. Say mama. Say daddy or mama. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Tempy, hi. Hi. Are you waving? Hi. Hi, Tempy. Hi. You want Mommy to sing ABC to you? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I said my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Miss Temp has a lot of energy. She just ate some more squash. She's raring to go. Look at her. Raring to go, Tempy. Oh my goodness, she's going to flop right out of that thing. Tempy, can you say bye, baby? Say bye. Tempy, say bye. Bye. Okay.